Hi guys, I'm Asibonge. Today I'm with Katis Nkondo SOS to witness the launch of their rockets.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Jabulon Dozi, and today we are gathered here at the flying field in Meyerton. So, during the past few days, we were busy with the preparatory advancements in the field of rocketry. As you can see, we are gathered here today because today is the most important and crucial day, which is the day of launch. During the past few days, we were here to learn. We gained and acquired skills through training, which involved the principles of mathematics and science. We are here today in hopes of winning.
So guys, I'm with our science teacher, Mem Rapudi, and the team. Ma'am, I've been willing to ask you this question. What is your feeling today? Because the CNSOS rocket team is launching this beautiful rocket.
Hello, Asibonge. My feeling today, I have mixed feelings. I am nervous and I am excited because our rocket team today, they are launching their beautiful rocket. As you can see here, they've been so nervous day one. They've been working on their rocket. They've been nervous calculating the fins, the size of their fins. They were designing their fins. Here we are today. They built their rocket from scratch and they painted it. As you can see, it is so beautiful. It's representing the colors of our flag. So I am so excited and I wish they can launch their rocket very well because they are being tested on the two criteria where their rocket is either it launches very well or it will break before it launches. That's where I am nervous. So I'm wishing our team all the best.
Thank you, Mem Rapudi. Again, guys, let's go meet the CNSOS rocket team.
Salutations. My name is Jabulon Dozi.
Hi everyone, my name is Kwanda Ndlovu.
Hi, my name is Asanda Mshengu. Hey everyone, my name is Simply Moyo.
And this is our rocket.
Because there's still wildlife living here and cattle farms and such here. Now the reason I connected the head of time is if there's any charge left in the cable and this ignites outside the motor, not while I'm sticking it up. Leave you me. Not a good idea. So now going to lower this. One of you hold it here with two hands. My hands are. So that when I mount the rocket, you can with one hand put it back after the puts at force. With the other hand, put it back after the puts at force. Okay? I'm a bit tall for this. Hold it like that, don't drop it. Okay, hold steady. We are lifting. Now, push the rocket against the launch rail. Do not let go until I tell you. Okay, you can let go now. Okay, so we switch it on and we listen. 3 sets of fast beeps, 1 set of slow beeps, then continuous beeping. Okay, So now all of you move back behind my car. Is everybody ready? A little bit in front of me, but okay. Range is clear, sky is clear. We are launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
The last time I saw you, you were chasing after a rocket. What happened?
So the rocket launched successfully. It reached Upper J and the coasting, but unfortunately it landed on the nose cone, which disempowered the body.
As you can see, this is the nose cone. Instead of landing by the body, it landed with the nose cone, leading to the exploding of the payload. Yes.
And the rocket was dismantled.